front end to deliver. So whereas other people too, after doing front end, they feel like back end is way more harder for them, so they want to stick to the front end. So some reason I think the back end is difficult. Don't worry, when you get there, you'll see it all. Yeah. Okay. All right. So God willing, tomorrow we'll carry on, and then we should do some cool and fun stuff. Yeah, but please do your best, and then share the group to other people, so that once I'm just waiting. Once the number increase in the group, like 500 plus, I will work on the YouTube as well. At least I know that you guys are there to support me there. So please share it across. Yeah. All right. So tonight I'm going to work on my TikTok live setup. All right. So God willing, tomorrow. Have a good night to you all. Bye bye.
It's